Hi guys, haven't done one of these videos for a while, a month or so. Vapes. I was doing a series on ones that I collected in the street, and basically I'd done enough and stopped doing it. But today I spotted these two that look like they've been run over. A little bit squashed, or at least that one is. That one looks slightly better. I haven't come across these in the past. Nasty. Pineapple and lemonade, yeah, that one is well crushed. That one feels all right. I thought we'd have a look inside, see what we can see. See what size battery they've got in them. Well, that's the end you suck, I think. I don't know. Not that it matters much. Still got some power in it. How are we going to get that out? We have to push it out, but this one's been crushed. Let's see if we can take the other one apart first. So I'm going to have to push something up in there to push it through. If you're not familiar with vapes, the blue LED that was flashing there indicates, there we go, that's when you start sucking through it, but it will get activated by usually a bit of damp or something going through there. I will go and wash my hands afterwards. These are quite a tight fit. I was hoping that one might slide out. It hasn't been crushed. Okay, we're going to have to push through. What can we push through with? Well, it's got a soft covering. In there will be the wadding for the vape liquid. That's the bit that when you get it on your hands stink for forever afterwards. What I don't want to do is push that in there and damage the battery. I'll see if I've got something else I can push in there. I think the screwdriver will be too thick. Oh, but it was enough to do the job. Oh, look at that battery. That's a nice battery. Is that going to come all the way out? No, it's not. At this end will be the sensor, I would think. No, this end will be the heater. Yeah, that'll be the heater that's actually in the wadding, or whatever you want to call that. So it won't actually matter. Oh no, I'm all right pulling it out. Where it's dark there, that's where the heater is. It's just a coil of probably, I've forgotten the name of the metal now. Same stuff that you'd have in a hairdryer. But that's a nice little battery. Let's do a close-up. Yeah, I like that. That is a nice little battery. I wonder if the other one will come out easily. No, that's not going to come out so easily because it's been crushed a bit. The metal case does protect them from being damaged, and if they are damaged, even if they catch on fire, it's going to keep it within the container, isn't it? That doesn't want to come out easily, that's going to be a pain. Well, I'll work on this one and see if I can get it out. But we've seen what we wanted to see, what type of battery's in it. And that is a nice little battery, so I'll have to keep my eye out for these. And you can imagine that power in a small aeroplane. That's moving now a bit. Don't want to pull on the wires, or we'll just pull them off the end of the battery. Yeah, I have to get something thinner to push up in there, not damage the battery. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, two nice batteries and a bit of tidying up to do. So, yeah, nasty. Now, it just occurred to me, those of you who haven't seen me take these apart before, just to show you what's in there, if we can get it out easily. That's the actual little sensor. It looks like it's pushed in there and then sealed in with something. A nice little modular unit. So there will be an LED on it, which isn't going to, oh, there we go, it did come on. So that little round thing, it looks like a microphone, but it actually detects the pressure changes when you suck, inhale. So that's when the light comes on. Haven't found a use for it yet. I just cut them off and use the battery to power my little projects. Because the other thing that interests me is how heavy they are. 6 grams. So 501447, 3.7 volts, 280 milliamp hours, 1.04 watt hours. And the numbers, the 501447, that's 13.45, so that's the 14 is the width, the 50 should be the length, And the 4.7 yeah, there you go, 4.7 millimeters thick. So 5.0 length, 1.4 width, and 4.7 thickness. They're approximate, obviously I'm measuring it slightly different there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.